Hey guys, so it has come to our attention that when you log into Canvas, if you haven't changed your settings, it looks like this. The problem with this is that it doesn't show everything that you need to do. It only shows your to-do list. So here's how you fix that. Right here, the three dots, click that. Let's change this to card view. Once we change it to card view, your courses look like this. So if I were you, I would drag these in order. So if you have English first period, click and drag it to the first box, second period, third period, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, and eight. So then when you log in, first period, click on your first period class and go into the home page so you can get to all your work. Okay? Your dashboard should be easier than it looks like for a lot of you. So I'm going to show you one more time. If your dashboard looks like this, the way that you get to your classes, you could click here, but that's more work than necessary. So, three dots, card view, here you go. Drag these into order. You still have a to-do list over here, but remember, the things that you need to look at aren't always on your to-do list. So you need to go in each class and make sure you're doing all your work.